This is a little bit of a tough market. How are you thinking about the markets and the economy these days?
Well, look, the Fed, as you heard Chairman Powell say, the Fed's out to keep it going until it gets the job done, whatever that means. But our view is 75 basis points coming on the 21st, another 75 after that. And I think it's going to continue in a tougher way than people expect. I think rates are going to be higher than people expect. 14 years of low interest rates has taught a whole generation of people to think low interest rates. But if you're as old as I am, you remember really, really serious interest rates. So I think rates are going to be up, and they're going to stay up for a while, think in the 4s and 5s range. And I think it'll stay there for a while until we tame inflation. You can't print all these trillions and trillions of dollars and not expect them to go somewhere. And they're going in the price of everything.
We had Jeremy Siegel on with us earlier this morning, and he thinks the Fed is going to have to cut rates next year, just as you get higher unemployment and concerns about wobbles in the economy. What makes you think that the Fed is going to have much more resolve?
Because in inflation, that's the stagflation world. You don't automatically get cuts into a weaker economy just because it's a weaker economy. They're attacking inflation, and I don't think those trillions of dollars are going away. There are people who talk about, the money supply. The money supply is big, and when you just pass a bill that's going to have more spending, it's just going to keep it going. So I just think it's too optimistic to say they're going to cut rates next year. I think that's a world of, I've had 14 years of low rates. I think we're going to have more low rates. So I would disagree. I think rates are going to be higher. I think they're going to stay higher through the course of next year. Even if the economy is a little weaker, I think we've got higher rates going out a year. Easy. I don't think I think it's an easy bet for me to take the other side of that.